Do you want to know the one thing that all successful recruiters and staffing agencies have in common? No, it's not that they have a million TikTok followers or that they post more than any other recruiter in LinkedIn. What they do have, though, is a thought-through strategic inbound marketing system. In fact, those that actually invest in some inbound marketing effort actually generate more ROI than all those that are running to in-person events or posting on job boards. The good news is, having a well-crafted strategic marketing plan isn't some elusive, complicated thing that requires a large team or millions of dollars of budget. It's a simple framework that, when done correctly, brings in new job applicants to your website on a regular basis, whether you're online or not. When you have a strategic marketing plan, you avoid the pushing of messages to unknown, unsuspecting job applicants or clients who just aren't interested or ready for what you have to offer them. So, if you're ready to acquire leads much faster, more efficiently, and more importantly, for the long term beyond the next 90 days, then we have to start with what all my clients get to use is generating leads seamlessly on autopilot. It's a thorough four-part framework. Now, this framework is what gets all of our clients targeted and qualified leads, and this framework is required when considering that search journey your prospective next client or job applicant takes before they decide to work with you. I'm going to break all of this down for you inside a live 1-hour SEO Q&A, 3 little known secrets, SEO mistakes that most recruiters and staffing agencies make, and what to do instead. There is no fee to join. Feel free to bring any and all of your most challenging digital marketing or SEO questions to this live event. I'd like to even welcome you to bring your developers or anybody else on your team that touches your website. Just click the link below and add in your email address. We'll email you the link to join. That's all there is to it. Get registered, and I'll see you at the next live.